In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Facebook password using your phone. This is useful if you forgot your password or want to create a new one for security. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. On the login screen, tap the option that says Forgotten Password. Facebook will then ask you to find your account. Enter the email address or mobile number linked to your Facebook account and tap Search. Facebook will show your account and give you options to receive a verification code. Choose whether you want the code sent to your email or your phone number. After selecting the option, tap Continue. In a few seconds, you will receive a verification code. Enter the code in the box on the screen and tap Continue. Once the code is confirmed, Facebook will ask you to create a new password. Type a strong password that you haven't used before, then confirm it and tap Continue. After saving the new password, your account password will be successfully updated. You can now log into your Facebook account using the new password. It's a good idea to keep your password secure and avoid sharing it with anyone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.